Alrighties, and the third or the second or the first, depending on which video you clicked on. And the reaction for today is, let me double check, BTOB, Born to Beat. Beep, beep. I don't know, they're probably not gonna do that, but I did. Oh well. I listen to BTOB? I do listen to one of their songs, which is Wow, because that song is like, I love that one dance move that they go like this. Dude, it's like 90s. I can't do it, but it's like, do it. I don't know. I probably look really weird doing it. Oh well, just act like you never saw that. I remember I heard Thriller. It, you know, didn't blow me away really, but we'll see how this song does. I saw the teaser for it and I remember I was like, what the hell am I watching? Because I was like, first of all, this is supposed to be a teaser for your fans, and I'm sure that none of your fans want to be seeing them girls like that, okay? They'd rather see you like that. But anyways, let's go ahead right into the MV. Let's watch it. Ooh, look at that car. It looks like Kill Bill's pussy wagon. He's like, this dude stopping traffic. He's like, ciao. He's so cute. Hey. Of course. Penile. Get out of here with your trying to be swaggy self. What I love about BTOB though is that they're funny. Oh, they did. Lion squirrel coming through. This is a really fun video, and it's an even more fun dance. Uh-oh, they're like, girl, let me in! I didn't mean to do that. It's like, it's all this dude's fault, I swear. She said, please take me back. She said, she don't want you. Oh. Oh, damn, that's when them girls come in. How do you get those, like, video girl jobs? You know? Knocking on the door like, hey, I would like to shake my booty. Ooh, hit that note, man. What makes this part is so funny, because it's like, the whole video they were all like, ah, and then they try to break it down. Uh-oh, party time. Oh, that's so cute. I want one. He's cute. I really like him. Those are fun. Damn, those are 90 dance moves right there. That's cool. Oh, damn. Popping, locking it. I love this guy. I forget what his name is, but I really like him. No, get out of here. Yo, breaking it back. This is funny. oh darn, you got that ticket though. They're like, shoot, did you park it there? He's like, no man, I swear, it said it was okay. Beep beep ba 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 ba. Is that how the dance went? Oh well. Alright, so the song was really fun and the MV was really fun and I like fun stuff. So I really liked it. They had, you know, that catchy beep beep ba ba da 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 da. I think I got the dance move incorrect, but that's okay. I don't know why they picked the teaser for like those girls dancing. When if you had picked a teaser of them just like fooling around, I think that probably would have done better. But I mean, I guess picking the girls like that, you know, it creates more talk and buzz and all that other good stuff. So, all right, I understand. I got it. Okay. I liked is they showed like their personalities and stuff like that, just being all like, you know, crazy and stupid and silly, and that's fun to see. Like, you know, that's always really fun to see in a music video because you're just like, oh, I wish I was there too. Wait, hold on, I'm depressed. Those 90s breakdown moves they were throwing at me, okay? That like, ooh. I was like, oh my god, I love them moves. I really do like that stuff. I really like the styling that they had for it, which, you know, I guess it's like typical when you're trying to be like hard or like cards, you end up picking plaid. But it still looked cute.
I'll probably be, you know, trying to rock it. Do I have any plaid in my wardrobe? I do. I do have a skirt that's plaid. I'm gonna go wear it, and I'm walking around like beep beep ba ba da 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 beep beep ba ba.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this MV reaction, and I hope you guys enjoyed the song. Let me know what you think in a comment down below, please. And don't forget to like if you like the song or like watching me like the song. Does that make sense? I don't know. And don't forget to subscribe, please, because it really means a lot to me. And thank you to everyone that has been commenting and sharing the videos and, you know, subscribing, because a homegirl really appreciates it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next MV, and until then, be safe, wear sunscreen, wear a coat, look both ways before you cross the road, and don't take candy from strangers, okay?